Thank you, Dinesh. Andarki namaskaram. I also see few people who are here who is not properly conversant with Telugu. Andarki Telugu vacha lekapothe Telugu? Somebody is nodding the head otherwise. So Telugu lona English lona? Ajit,
No, I cannot.
you cannot understand Telugu.
I do, but
You do.
little.
So it's better to speak in English.
Yes, please.
మరి ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థం కాని వాళ్ళు అయితే ఎవరు ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ? అమ్మ ఉండొచ్చు. First of all, let me wholeheartedly congratulate Dinesh for the launch of Vedam Gir Khao Ghee this evening on the very auspicious Ugadi day. I extend my heartful wishes to you so that your brand becomes a successful national brand and you grow multi-folds. That's our wish. And whatever little my humble contribution right from the conceptual stage to where we are today, to where you will be in few years from now, I'm very glad that I'll be a part of your journey. Yeah. Especially in guiding you. Yeah. And it's nothing professional. There is no professional assignment. He's not paying me. So it is out of my excitement for what he has taken up as a cause and the initiative of a man who's working in a technology field, leaving a well-paid job and a job which a lot of people actually will be vying for in the days of inconsistency we see today because of the COVID and other issues, that he has the courage to leave that and take a different journey. And it is not easy to be at crossroads of a potential growth oriented IT position and then say I'll leave that and I'll take another route which is inconsistent, which doesn't promise much, which has to be fought every inch. It is not easy. So it requires a lot of courage, and I admire Dinesh for having that courage to choose a different path, a hard path, a difficult path of entrepreneurship. A lot of people enterprise, but there are very few people who choose a field which can add value not just to them and their bank account, but also add value to the society and enhance the value of the society by doing something worthwhile. I'll tell you how Vedam Gir Khao Ghee is a worthwhile initiative, not just as an entrepreneur, which Dinesh has taken up, but also as something which can add huge social value. Now, I'll not go too deep into giving you a political speech, but I'll just tell you the direction which we have taken after independence is so wrong. 1947, when we got independence, August 15th, this country should have reclaimed the civilizational greatness we had 700 years earlier, when we were occupied by multiple forces, foreign forces, whether it's Mughals or Islamic invasion or Christian invasion or British invasion. We had so many foreign oppressors who have actually undermined the civilization. And what was our civilization? The greatest in the world. 330 BCE. Now that is way back. I'm talking about 4,000, 5,000 years back. Indus Valley civilization. Hindu civilization. Not a religion, a civilization. Anybody who lived in this geography in South Asian continent were called Hindus. There was no religion, there was no structural religion. Today we call it a religion because it works, it suits some political units for their survival. But that kind of a civilization, you can say there are other civilizations. There were top 3 civilizations in the world. And out of that, Hindu civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, was the number 1 in knowledge, in craftsmanship, in their ability to govern their habitats. Even those times, the engineering and the town planning and the metallurgical initiatives in terms of engineering and craftsmanship, nobody could match. So where did we lose all that? Where did we lose all the greatness of singular civilization in the world, supreme civilization in the world, to being called a third world country in 1947, to being called even now a developing nation, a fifth largest GDP? And we have bought into the definitions of the English and the West. What is development? Then go and search the Western dictionary, you'll find it. What about our dictionary? We forgot. So since 1947, we should have reclaimed the past glory and said we are the number one. We are the light in this world. We are supreme in civilizational progression. And then we could have taken off from there in a different direction. We had the best health habits. We had the best food indigenously grown. Why I'm saying had? Because we don't have it anymore. We cannot get even a glass of milk properly without being contaminated nowadays. You cannot eat a banana without being worried about the pesticides. You cannot eat rice without being worried about the pesticides. The vegetables, even the air is polluted with huge CPM levels. Now what did we do to our country? And mind you, this is not a country. This is not a nation. Because there are so many countries and so many nations. There are 293 nations and countries. This is not a nation. This is not a country. This is a civilization. Now we made it so small, calling it a nation. So small, calling it a country, a republic. And then we are acting like one. We're just looting all the resources, spoiling all the resources, living as if we are here for some temporary reprieve, not for generational existence, not for civilizational progression. So what Dinesh did might look very small, but the step he has taken, just like what Neil Armstrong said, one step for human and a giant step for humankind. So people like Dinesh, there should be 1 million people now in this country who should take these small steps, revive the civilizational glory in every small thing we do. And the small thing which he has taken, generally I shouldn't be divulging in the conversations we have, but once a while he calls me and says, can I have 1 hour of your time? And then comes by and has a conversation and then builds something up. So in one of those conversations, he was telling me about the other opportunities beside what he was doing. So I got his focus back onto ghee, because I told him, this small step which you have taken is a very big one. Now if you can make this a big one, don't need to worry about the peripheral opportunities. Staying focused is key. So when I said 1 million Dinesh's can do other things. Another Dinesh can do cow dung cakes. Another Dinesh can do just milk. Another Dinesh can do something else. But this Dinesh probably should stick to ghee for a very long time to come. That's my wish. And of course there is profit. And of course there is growth. And of course there is a potential expansion which can outweigh many companies, or probably 10 years of what he would earn in an IT job. He could probably do it in 1 year. It just depends on how you enterprise, how you brand, how you present, how you pack, how you price, the 5 P's of marketing. I'm a politician, but prior to that, I'm a professional strategist. I do board level interventions even now. I can drive 300, 400, 600% growth to organizations, provided they listen and act. Today, little disappointed because things didn't go in time. I'm a stickler to professional commitment of being on time, doing things in time, taking things forward in a schedule, staying focused on what I'm doing. So certainly I did express that partially to Dinesh, but I'm expressing to you. So this precision was there in the civilization, but we have kind of lost to a level where we are defamed saying that it is Indian Standard Time. And we are proud of it. We are defamed because we fell into those habits of not understanding what is of value. So my dear friends, today once again, I don't want to make it long. With no further ado, once again, my wife is here, my son is here, Sahas, Pratibha. They're all excited. I mean, we get excited with small things. That's what life is all about. You know, we can find some good cow's milk, Gir cow's milk, which Dinesh sends home, and he sends ghee home. We love it. And then we were saying that his mother makes sunni undalu, so we would want that. We would want everything he produces. Now I want lakhs of consumers who would want everything he produces, so that their lives can become better, their health can become better, their vitality and immunity can become better. So I endorse publicly Vedam Gir Cow Ghee as the best available, untouched, pure product of nature. As you can see, the pristine product from nature, produced by Dinesh and his family. Go ahead, buy it, stock it, hoard it, and then use it. Thank you very much, and once again, my best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.